question, just in case I missed something
Sure.
out.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for answering. So basically your doubt is when should we stop chanting? We just saw in this chapter, I'm sure her doubt will have got clarified, right? We saw very clearly charity, penance, austerity, right? All these three should never be given up, right? Sacrifices, right? So sacrifice is the first word, sacrifice, charity and tapas. So charity means what? This one comes as charity. So this one round is what we are starting. We will continue to 16 rounds gradually. I know for you all doing it in one day is very easy, but for all of us to sustain that is going to be difficult. So reach 16 rounds and you will tell lifelong. Because once you start doing it, you will enjoy. After level 2, forget it, you won't feel like giving it up. Right? As I told, I'm not a great reader. The only book I read probably is Nancy Drew when I was 9 years old. After that, I've not read a single story book, except the management books, which is required, right? Those books. But then, Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, when I can't put it so much that I had to, I could not even chant. I could not chant also prior to that. So I had to read the book and then do chanting. But now what happens, as soon as I get up, I only do chanting. So even before the class, I finish the chanting and come. This is not easy, right? For us, if we think we have to do it. But if we want to do, Krishna will give us the way. So why am I telling all this is because whatever obstacles we have, Krishna is giving a guarantee. I'm going to clear, right? Therefore, you just start after level 2, you won't want to give up even if you want to. Hare Krishna. I hope I have added some value to our little devotees statement. Hare Krishna. So is there any other questions you have? If you have a question, you can unmute yourself.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, please go ahead.
Actually, I want to join it. Hello.
Level 2?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
No, ma'am, level 2. 1 second, I want to join it, level 1.
I'm so happy you can re-register and you can join. You can re-register and join.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Hare Krishna. Level 2 should be starting very soon. Keep you informed. Hare Krishna. We will please stay online. Please stay in the groups. Hare Krishna. As you all have doubts, you all type in. No, please go ahead. We have all the time.
Okay, Mataji. Actually, ma'am, I'm preparing for an examination, and my friend is also preparing for that examination. I also used to have many anxious thoughts like, will I be able to crack it or not, and many things like that. But ma'am, after you said that it is the mind that is saying you all these things, which is misguiding you. So after that, I focused on the intelligence part of my mind, which is saying that yes, we can do that. But ma'am, that friend is always saying, what if we won't be able to crack and all. I told her the same thing, ma'am. But again, the same thing also affects me. So Mataji, what is your view on this? Like that also demotivates me.
Yeah, so the point is
because when someone is saying you this thing again and again, then that is going to affect your mind, right? So that is the problem.
So the point is intelligence is supposed to be powerful, right? Supposed to be. But the fact is mind is very tricky. It can even give you, we use the word mind voice, right? So it can even trick you as if it's intelligence. It can even trick you like super soul. It can trick you like the right thing to do, because mind is very tricky. That's why we call it so-called friend, right? Because you can even believe you can be comfortable with a friend or an enemy. But so-called friend is so dangerous, right? Because this so-called friend behaves as if he is a friend, but then backstabs. So dangerous, right? So mind can become like that initial stage. So though intelligence is the most powerful thing, but many times you see like exception, right? Even the most powerful medicine, right? The disease inside can overtake and make the medicine useless. Yes or no? So what happens? You give a stronger dose of the medicine. Happens, right? For some people, when you give a crocin, they are fine. But for some people, it's not enough. They have to give antibiotic. They are in very prolonged antibiotic. So the mind is also like that. Sometimes mind is so powerful, though intelligence, you're doing a great job. But overnight, it's very difficult because mind has already taken our treasury, right? It has taken our territory. It is controlling. It's like they put a very strong foundation. Now, what are we supposed to do? We are only trying to remove the mind at the leaf level, right? But at the root level, for us to pluck, we need a lot of support. Why? Because Maya is now dug it, right? Now, what should we do? We have to cut off not just the, what is currently happening is we are cutting the stem part. But the root is still there. So slowly what you're telling is coming out. So what we should do, we should chop it at the root level. How can we chop? Maya is so strong. We can't even see the root, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to do japa. And by doing this, Krishna gets happy. What happens is Krishna directly takes control. Takes time. Now, once Krishna takes control, which he already has taken, that is why your intelligence is speaking. But you have to do more because the root is so deep, right? So by Maya, which is this external energy, how can you control Maya? Only with this internal energy. So Krishna's intervention is required, right? So we recognize this. You keep doing japa. Krishna is cleaning. Given some time to clean. Na? So for us also, it takes time to clean. Now you tell Krishna can clean like this. Yes, he can clean like this. But the point is our anarthas and our pollution is not just, however old you are a teenager. So maybe not just a few teen years, right? It is for so many yugas which you have carried. All of us have carried for 1.51 trillion years for sure, maybe more than that. How did I get that number? It is Brahma's age. Our total life of Brahma is 311 trillion years, right? 51 years is gone. So roughly half of that, right? So many years of anartha, you have to give him little more time. We have just given him 18 days time. 18 days, he has already done it, right? Your intelligence has never spoken to you. Now it started trying, right? Yes, you will get demotivated. Do japa, that will automatically take care of the rest. I know I can't give you a complete answer, but you don't get complete solution overnight, right? So you have to be there and you have to make Krishna, trust on Krishna, he's going to solve the problem for you. Hare Krishna.
Did you have a doubt? Can I ask?
Yes, before that, I just want to make sure if her doubt is clarified or is it of any use.
Yes, thank you so much, Mataji.
Sure, thank you so much, Hare Krishna. Yes, Ma, you can go ahead.
My exams are coming again, Mataji, and so I have a doubt. Like, are we not allowed to think that we have to get good marks in the examination, or we're not allowed to think that we will do bad on the examination?
We should. What I'm telling you is, yes, we should. See, because we should think we should get good marks, not bad. We should think good. See, when Arjuna fights, he will think that, yes, I have to win the war. But that will not be the idea for him to fight, right? Your idea of writing the exam will be, yes, right now you have more responsibility. You're a devotee. Everybody will look at you and tell, oh, she's a devotee. Now see a devotee and she's getting bad marks. Now it's become a bigger responsibility for you, right? If you have a brand, right, you have to perform better. Why are we believing in great brands, whether it's a TV or a fridge? Why is Sony called a white elephant? It's expensive. But still we believe in the brand, right? Now you're branded, you're Krishna's devotee, right? You have a brand. You have to live up to the brand. So you have to put more efforts. But what we are telling is, don't get into that anxiety. You have to be compassionate. You have to perform well. That motive should be there. But don't feel that, oh my God, if I don't perform well, the second thing, don't let the mind dominate. I will put all the efforts. What is your circle of control and what is circle of influence, right? Your circle of influence is everything. Your exam, what can I do? Everything is your circle of influence. But what is your circle of control? Studying. Can you get up early and study? That is your circle of control, right? You told me, morning, Mataji, I don't feel like studying. Very nice, but start, na? When will your morning start? You are so nice. You can get up early in the morning. You can do a japa. You can do your, you read shlokas. What more you need? Continue. Take a 5-minute break. Continue. That is your effort. That you can is your circle of control, right? What marks will I get? That's not your control. What you can do, you do that and tell Krishna, I have done my best. Now I have put my endeavor. We saw 5 things, right? Object, studying, book, knowledge, right? You've seen your endeavor. That's all you can do. Place, you can study right now in your house. Go write your exam, with undivided attention. That's it. Finally, Super Soul will give you the mark. That part don't take, because every time why we get anxiety is because you don't feel Super Soul. Our endeavor, you stop with our endeavor. I put endeavor. No, you put your endeavor. Yes, but Super Soul will play as per your endeavor and give you more marks than what you deserve. Once you have that confidence, when you feel I am the doer, then you are done. That is where you're doing, right? So you put your efforts. You should aim for high marks because you are a devotee and you are a role model now. But don't take that anxiety. You tell that I as a devotee will work hard, which is my circle of control, and not get confused by a lot of circles which are influencing me, like what you're saying, and Krishna will take care of it, right? Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Neetu, for posting the Veda-based link. Please post it in the groups also. And also please post Panchatattva mantra. If it's not there also, please check and we'll post both the mantras. Hare Krishna. So very nice comments. So let me hear. Right, I have learned so much in the 18 days. Thank you so much, Mataji. I love to continue this auspice. Yes, we also, Sachin, we also love the journey and association. I definitely would like this. As you are our Siksha Guru, very nice. Thank you so much, Tanya. I wanted to thank you with all my heart. Thank you for encouraging us. listening us and for everything. I'm very grateful for this beautiful experience, Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Tanya, and thank you so much for listening to us, right? So thank you so much for listening Krishna's words, because these are words which we are telling as it is. That is why we like Prabhupada's word, and he has told, and he's our guru. And thanks for accepting me as your Shiksha Guru, and please continue. There is no rule you should have only one Shiksha Gurus. You'll have lots of Shiksha Gurus, and I wish you learn a lot and continue this journey. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Aman, okay, thank you so much. I would love to be your level 2 guide again to teach you, but it's again Krishna's mercy. If he gives me a chance, yes, I will come back and teach you all. But we will continue our journey. Hare Krishna. But one thing I can tell you is youth, at least one class I will come, at least tell one story. That much I will do. Hare Krishna. So is there any other questions? You can unmute and ask. Last day, so I will stay here for some more time. You can all stay, and whatever doubts you all have. I just want one answer to the question. I promised you all after 18 days, all your questions will get resolved. If I could not keep up the promise, because this is Krishna's promise, it means that I have fallen short in some explanation. So please go back and read. And if you have any doubts, we will definitely refer and come back. And thanks for that. Thanks for being so patient, and sorry for all the learnings of Sanskrit mistakes which I have done here and there, and for the short breaks I had to take, be it internet issue or our issue. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for tolerating. Is there anything else? Any other doubts? Hare Krishna, sorry.
Thank you for teaching us.
Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
And ma'am, when you come to ISKCON Mayapur, I will meet with you.
You are in ISKCON Mayapur. Hari bol. I didn't know. If I know, I would have definitely met. I just came last month to Mayapur. You're so lucky and blessed. Anyone who stays in the sacred Dham, right? All these places, they say that, liberation is automatic for them. So you're already blessed. So lucky you are. Hare Krishna. Definitely we'll meet. Thank you.
No, actually, I live from far, about 30 km to 35 km from our house, Mayapur is.
No, 35 kilometers is still close enough, but it's a great blessing. All of you all, when you have a chance to go to the Dhams, please do. And one more thing which I want to tell you all is we are going to organize in February, and all these yatra, right? For all those who are in level 2, definitely can participate in the yatra. So my only request is come to level 2 and take part in this yatra. It is so nice, and it is really, something which we should not miss, right? So I just want each one of you all to come and see this. Right now that I had spoken to you about Vaikunta, I want to share a video. Hare Krishna.
Here, Prabhuji, please tell us how to enter level 2.
Mataji, I actually messaged Mihir Prabhuji for that.
Okay.
We will, okay, good point. What I feel.
No, yes,
Mataji. Yeah.
Mataji, you can read it.
Okay, thank you, Mataji. So there's another message from Manika Singh, Mataji. Really, Mataji, you are like a messenger of Krishna. Whatever questions we have, you have answers for all of them. Thank you very much. I will be forever grateful to you. It was so good that I didn't want these 18 days to end. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, devotee Manika Singh. So beautifully written. I am, all of us should become messengers of Krishna and spread this Bhagavad Gita. So thanks to Krishna for giving us the grace, and thanks to you all for listening patiently. Teen is something which everybody were telling that it's so difficult. But I would say that of all the classes I've taken, teen is something which I really enjoyed, because I feel I personally could speak my heart and mind. Right? There was nothing called the right way of speaking here, and that made me really enjoy. So I just could speak my experiences, and I thoroughly enjoyed, because from Krishna's mercy, we were able to really share this, and this is not ending. This journey will continue forever. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, and then there are queries on when level 2 starts, and that was from Anushri Mataji. She has also asked to share Mangalacharanam slides so she can take a screenshot. But I have posted a link to our database where you get to see the entire Mangalacharanam with the meaning.
Very nice.
So feel free to bookmark that link. And Mataji, if you want to share the Mangala Charanam slide, they could take a screenshot. It will be handy for them.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that in a second. And
Yeah, Hare
one
Krishna.
question which has come is, I've shared that 18-day session and very few take it seriously. Few ask for PDS as they want to study on their own. How can I explain them why to attend 18 days? Very simple. Very, very beautiful question, Aman. Thank you so much. So the first thing is, Krishna himself has told, right? Those who do not want, don't bother, because to like also you should have some amount of Shukriti. It is not easy for everyone to have access to Bhagavad Gita, and many will have Bhagavad Gita for ages, they will not even open. But the very book Bhagavad Gita by itself is very auspicious, and don't worry too much. Yes, you can forward the PPTs, but the only problem is they will not understand. It's like your physics, chemistry, maths, right? Why do you need teachers? Why do you want to go to YouTube and see? Why do you still need online classes? You have the textbooks, which are already simplified for your age. You have enough of Google material. Can you just read and write your exam? Why do you still have classes? For whatever you call it worth or not worth, I'm not going to debate. Why do you need it, right? Because there is a particular thing which needs explanation. Let me go to a higher level, right? Law books are so clear. Everything is paper. Now we talk about medicine, right? There is so much of theory in it. Why do you need a teacher to teach you medicine? Can you say that I have done medicine on correspondence and that's enough? Because jnana you will get by reading. That also you may not get fully because you need to understand. But vijnana you will get only by applying, by practicing, right? And it's very important. And I'm not talking about spiritual knowledge. Any knowledge needs a lot of explanation, right? For us to understand in the right sense. For us to understand is not difficult. I know English, I read fine. But are you understanding in the right sense? Because your mind will trick you again. It will make you understand right the way you want, because the mind sees what you think, right? And you will understand what your mind and senses want you to understand. So if you want to understand the right thing, you only have to take an expert advice. Yes. So if everything is theory, maybe we can have a 15-minute session right here. Not even 15 minutes, 5-minute session on swimming. You know, I can tell, hey, it's very easy to swim. You know, you take your right hand, you push water. You take your left hand and push water. I don't think I'll need 5 minutes. You just need 1 minute. But why do you get into swimming with a teacher? Right? Why don't you just jump? I've explained so well. Why don't you just jump? And by the way, don't forget, okay, just don't breathe through your nose. Just use your mouth. I think I've finished it in less than 20 seconds. But everything needs a teacher, because to tell you is one, to make you do is another, because make you do is practical application. And for technical things like Bhagavad Gita, you definitely need someone to explain to you, to make you understand exactly in the way Krishna tells you, not in the way we want. Right? So that is very important everywhere, not only this. And it is very important that you get it from the Guru Parampara, because that person will tell you exactly what Krishna is saying and not their own story. Right? Everybody will enjoy storytelling session, but nobody wants to follow. You want your own story, right? So what we want to follow is what Vedas are telling, which are absolutely zero error free, because they are coming from the mouth of Krishna. And that is why we call it Bhagavad Gita as it is. And you can't tell this is good without tasting, right? I spent 1 hour explaining to you how is the taste of honey or a badam halwa. Okay, will you be able to relish? No. You have to experience something and then you tell you like or not. That's second. So your friend or anyone has to experience that 18 days and then tell, okay, I don't like it. Fine. Read the Bhagavad Gita, understand from a bona fide person, then take a call. Otherwise, no amount of understanding is going to work. If I'm going to write a huge letter, with 700 verses as in Bhagavad Gita about Gulab Jamun, you will not understand unless you taste it. Yes or no? No amount of theory can explain the taste. But if I just put one Gulab Jamun in your mouth, you will tell, okay, it's a taste, right? That is what matters, right? So that you have to do. Hare Krishna. And that's it. And Tanya, and thank you so much for your lovely words. I would like to thank everyone linked to ISKCON. Yes, thank you so much. And I would personally like to thank each one of you all, and especially my admins who are so prompt in recording, uploading, and so prompt even before I could log into the system. It's so nice to hear Kirtan and everything set on. Thank you so much, Neetu, and thank you so much, Ananya, for your gesture.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, and for all those behind the screens as well. And thanks to ISKCON Mangaluru to give me this opportunity. And thank you so much. Is there any other questions? Neetu, you want me to share something and I didn't get it.
Yes, the Mangala Charanam screen, so they can take a screenshot.
Oh, of that shot.
Yeah.
1 second. Yeah. Until then, you have any other doubts?